How to download Fortnite for your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can download Fortnite for your Android device if it supports that. Also, before starting this video, let me make it very clear that not every device supports Fortnite and only a handful of them still supports it. So let me show you how you can check that. So if you will try to go into Google Play Store and then searching for Fortnite, let's say, and then search, you might see that there are not a lot of games. So what you can do is instead simply go to the web browser of your choice, most preferably Google Chrome, and then simply search for Fortnite download Android. And then you will see this option which we have for Epic Games as well, and also from the official Fortnite website. So let's go to the official Fortnite website, and then we'll be clicking onto this get it now option. So once you click onto this get it now option, it might redirect you to a new store page. Just wait for it to redirect, and once you are inside the new page, you will see an interface like this. So now from here you will need to click onto this download anyway option, and you can see that the file has been successfully downloaded. Now you'll need to click onto this open option, and from here, if Chrome throws a warning, go to settings and then click onto this allow from this source and click onto install button. Now what this will going to do is it will install the Epic Games Store, which you will need to open and click onto this get started. Now once you'll click onto this get started, you might need to log in, and from here you can sign in, or also you can cross this, but it will require you to sign in using any of the following. So let's say I will choose Google, and then it was redirecting me to another browser. I'll click on agree and continue, and then from here I need to log in into my Google or sign in into my Epic Games account to do so. So let me quickly do that. So now once you have successfully logged in or signed up for this Epic Store, you will need to simply search for Fortnite in here. So simply search for Fortnite, and here you can find this application, and then click onto this install button, and you can don't allow this. So you will need to allow the notifications as well, and then you can see that it will use your mobile data, so you can click on to continue, and then Fortnite will be successfully downloaded and it will be installed into your Android device. So that's how easily you can download and install Fortnite in your Android device. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.